Hello and welcome. This is a new video in which we are going to build AI tool in less than 5 minutes. Now this video might be longer than 5 minutes because I'm going to explain things to you, but in less than 5 minutes you can have your own SaaS AI tool without any coding experience and without writing a single code. All of this can be done with this new platform which is called Pickaxe. Now, as you can see here, this is the platform front page. Here you can tell the AI tool what you want to do. You can describe the tool and it will start creating it. Now, after you click on the sign in button or sign up for a free account, they have a free account and they have a paid account. You will get access to this, as you can see, tool. If you click create a tool, it will show you this. Now we have three options: form, chat, automatic AI builder. Now the form helps you create a prompt powered widget with multiple user input fields. Now here you can ask user to enter few things like his name, his age, and any other information that you might need in your AI tool. This is a great way to write a prompt, AI prompt, that uses user input to give him an answer. Now, the other option is more like ChatGPT, which is basically a chat powered prompt in which the chat will ask user questions and the user will answer these questions, and it will be a two-way communication method. Now, the third way is the automatic AI builder, in which you will use the AI assisted builder process to build your own AI tool. Now, if you don't really know, or if you don't have an idea, you can start with the automatic AI builder. But for this demonstration, I'm going to use the form method, which is create a prompt powered widget with multiple user input fields. Now, once you click here, you will be redirected to this page. Now, in this page, you will find different options. Here we have the role. You are an adaptive and professional assistant dedicated to truly understand user inquiries. And here is the prompt frame. Write the prompt that will power this AI tool and add user inputs where you want to the user to enter their data. Now, if you clicked add user input, you can start adding user inputs here. Now, your name, for instance, and this is a required field. Now, let's also ask him for his email, your email, and here is email. And we also, okay. Now, let's add a third field. What you want to learn. Here, the skill. Now this is required. Now what we are going to build is something I'm going to call a roadmap generator. Learning roadmap generator. Now this generator will basically do the following. It will take the user input, the name, email, and skills, and it will respond with a roadmap generated specifically for this user to learn a specific skill. Now, I already have a prompt somewhere, so let me look for it. Okay. Now, I have a prompt. I made it using ChatGPT, and this prompt is basically will do the following. It will accept user input. So here is the prompt. We will refine it using ChatGPT. Accept the user input, generate a comprehensive roadmap with suggested courses and reading material, provide clear step-by-step learning path for the chosen skill. Now, let's remove the UI style because we are going to make it. Now, these are the things that we are looking for, and we need to move this. Now, this will be one of the prompts. So the answer will start with greeting and encouraging messages with the user name. Okay. Now, okay, here is the skill. And the email is not something we are going to use, but we will need it to collect student data. Okay, that's it. Now, if we click here, you will see that we have a lot of options. Now, the cheapest is 3.5, which we can use. There are other models. Now, depending on your plan, you can change the AI model that is being used. I'm going to use 3.5. Now, you can also allow user to upload files, use default image generation, but we don't need both of these. And that's it. This is basically how you can refine your bot. And here you can click generate to generate an image. So let me add the name of the roadmap generator. Let's describe what we want. Learning roadmap generator. So it will create an image for our AI. Okay, here's the image. Now let's choose a logo. We are going to ask it to make a logo with this title. Okay, it created the logo, but it's a little bit, not visible because the font is not very huge. Or you can click this. Now you can keep trying until you find an image that you like, or you can upload your own image. It's up to you. So that sounds like a roadmap. And here you can add the chat icon to, okay, we can choose another chat icon, or we can add this one. Now, here you can choose the max output length, the input length, and other criteria. You can choose the privacy. I want it to be unlisted. At first, you can make it public. Now you can make it clonable so other people can clone it. And here you can change the word bias. Try to use these words, try to avoid these words. You can set these configurations. Once done, you can go here and add documents to the knowledge base or web pages. And here you can add, which is basically a tool that you can use to add actions to your AI bots. Actions like sending an email. So we can, let's say, send an email as a new action. And once we are done, when you click here, you can send the owner an email. The owner is basically me. So I can get an email from this tool when someone uses it. So roadmap generator. Okay. Now this will make the tool send me an email, as you can see here, whenever someone uses my tool. Now that's it. You can click test the prompt, as you can see here. As you can see, hello, it's great to see you interested in creating based general. What's your name so I can address you properly? Also, can you please provide me the email address? So once you add the details here, it will start creating your roadmap. So we created the tool, click publish, and once the tool is published, we can always edit the tool. It's not like that. Once it's published, there is no going back. Now you can, what you want to learn, you can add, let's say, embedded system. What's your name? My name is Ashraf. What's your email address? Now, once we have everything, click submit and wait. Now you will wait a few seconds for it to create your roadmap. As you can see, hi Ashraf. I'm excited to help you. Please provide me with more details about your current knowledge level in embedded systems so that I can tailor this. Now, as you can see, this is now a conversation. So my knowledge is basic. Now, once you answer his question, the AI bot question, it will create the roadmap for you. It might ask you for a follow-up question. And as you can see, now it's creating the learning path. So you'll have to wait few seconds for the learning path to be created. And here, thank you for sharing your knowledge level. I will now proceed in creating a personalized learning path with you. I appreciate your... Okay. Now, as you can see, now it will give you the learning path. And as you can see, it's basically turning from a form prompt to a chat tool because we haven't provided enough information in the prompt. Now we need to ask the user for more information. Now to get the student the result without asking a lot of questions. So I will refine the prompt, but for now, as you can see, he is trying to create the ultimate plan for me. Now we can go back to edit this and we will use ChatGPT to refine the prompt. Here we have a prompt and let's create this using ChatGPT. Now give me the perfect prompt to make this AI tool give the user the road map without any additional questions in an organized way. And what questions should I ask the student and where I should put the answers in the prompt? Now, this is what I did is called prompt engineering. It's basically to perfect the prompt. As you can see here, we are asking the student to write all of these. As you can see, questions to ask the student. Here's the questions, where to place the answers. Okay, amazing. Now, we can easily do the following. Hello, we are excited to... Okay, here's the prompt template. Now, this is the prompt. Okay, and here we are going to add the answers. So let's go back, paste everything here. As you can see, we will add the skill here by simply adding the skill and the student level. Okay, add user input, add user input. So we have here the skill. What do you want to learn? And here we will ask him for his level. So let's drag it from here up to here. So here students current level. Let's take the questions from ChatGPT. It will be easier. What is your current level? And let's call it level. And the third question is, let's take the first question to add it as it is here. Now, the third question is, why do you want to learn this skill? A very nice question. Now let's add another user input and let's place the question here. goal, let's call it. Now the preferred learning style, we'll add another user input here. Now I'm showing you this in a step-by-step manner, okay, just to make sure that you understand everything that we are doing to build it from scratch. Now the number of hours, we need another user input, and in here, how much time can you dedicate per week, number of hours, and let's call it time. Now we are left with one thing, which is basically target completion date. What is your target completion date? And here, sorry, let's add another user input. Let's say, let's give you an example. 2021 01 05, and here we will add the date. Cool. Now we have everything set and ready. I will choose GPT, let's say, okay, maybe 4, and let's publish it. Now we'll test it again, and I might, okay, let's add embedded system. What is your current level? Beginner. Career. Videos. 20 hours. Okay, no, too much, 20 hours. 10 hours. My completion is 2025, February. Okay. Now submit, and let's see if it will create the roadmap for us. Now, hello there. Skills to learn embedded system, and these are basically the information that we provided. Then here's the roadmap structure, and as you can see, it's giving us in phase 1 you have to get introduction and fundamental making embedded system, which is a book, online course, introduction to embedded system software and development, hands-on project design, assemble digital thermometer. Phase 2, intermediate skill development, in-depth courses, and practice task. Okay, cool. That's a cool roadmap. Now, good luck. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So I think this is how you create a tool. And here we have that tool up and ready to be used. Now you can copy the link. You can share it with anyone, and they can input their data and then click submit to see the results, as you can see. And you can pack it. Now if you have a paid subscription, you can embed this tool in your website, or you can use their studio feature, which will help you offer this tool for free or for different paid tiers. The tool still needs a lot of enhancement because I'm planning to make it offer students YouTube videos, and giving them links to what they want to learn and the suggested reading material, not just the text output. But this is how easy it is to create an AI tool. And I explained it in a step-by-step manner so that everyone can do it. I showed you the ChatGPT prompt. If you have any questions, please ask in the description. This is Ashraf from Education Engineering Team. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and sign up to this platform using the link in my video description or in the comments. Thanks for watching.